Hi girlies, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be introducing a new series I'm going to be doing called Boujee on a Budget, and for this video we're going to be doing DIY teeth jewelry. Alright, all you're going to need is some super glue and these stick-on gems that I got from the scrapbook section in Walmart, and a piece of tape. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take a piece of tape and get some of the stickiness off, and then wrap it around your pointer finger so you can pick up the gem easily. Alright, and now you're just going to be putting a little bit of the super glue onto the gem. And then you're going to be taking a piece of toilet paper and drying off the tooth that you want to apply the gem to, and then just applying the gem right onto the tooth. Now, you want to be using the super glue with caution because it's not the safest thing, but people use it to fix their teeth and stuff, so it should be pretty okay. In here, I'm just wiping off some of the excess glue that got on the bottom of my tooth. So you just want to make sure that you're cleaning it up so you don't have a lot of super glue on your actual tooth and not where the gem's at. Just want to fan it until it's dry. It usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. And then after that, you should be good to go. This DIY is super easy, and I've gotten so many compliments on these little things. Now, you do want to be gentle when you are brushing your teeth and stuff, but other than that, you should be good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you decide to try it out, please let me know. I'd love to see how it looks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!